I think that only cat lover will understand this. When we come back from work, when we arrive home, and we see our cat, it makes us feel better and better. Even though they couldn't have anything, they just sleep and lay down, but watching them sleep, it makes us feel good. No stress. Just look at the ow. See? And keep meowing. My cat really interested in human food, but when we give them, they cannot eat it, but they just want to try. Okay, wait, okay, you already ate, but we will give you a little bit more because like they're so interested to see we eat a snack. They want to eat too, so I can't stand hearing the meow 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 all the time. Wait a bit, okay? I know you're hungry. Where's one more? Where's another one? Oh, Fafa may be in the kitchen. Ing, can you go get Fafa? Can you go get Fafa? Okay, here Fafa. Okay, so that's it. Happy guy? Happy? This is the best time ever. Eating in line. I like seeing this every day and never get bored of it. Never get bored. Yeah. Eating in the line is the most beautiful time ever. Okay. So hey friend, it's not good to do that. Hey. Okay, Fifi is a very kind father. Every time when his son come like that, he will turn back and give space to his son. However, Fi, okay, you can eat here. You full? Come back to your own place. Okay, Finn, come back to your own place here. Yeah.